Beginner strategy. Enter the pending order. We are starting with a $5,000 account, and so when we enter how much we want to trade to the volume field, we will base the amount entered on this figure. We can now enter our pending order into our trading platform. Select New Order. To select the type of order, click Pending Order. Then select the type of pending order. Click Buy Stop. Then select the price at which we want to enter the market. We want to place our Buy Stop order 1 pip above the fractal high, plus the spread. We do this to avoid our entry order getting taken in before price has broken the up fractal. The high of the price just below the up fractal is 1.26862 plus 1 pip and a variable spread. This broker has a variable spread of 1 to 2 pips. And so our Buy Stop order has been entered at 1.26893 to account for the variable spread. We want to enter our stop loss based on the last down fractal. We will use the tip of the down fractal to determine where our stop loss should go. However, if no down fractal is yet formed, when we enter our pending Buy Stop order, as you can see here, we will look to place our stop loss just below the bottom candle's low price, and then look to modify our stop loss once a down fractal has appeared. We have entered our stop loss at 1.2670. Our take profit is the next pivot point, which is the M2 pivot at 1.27019. We will round this off to 1.2701. We have an account of $5,000, and so for every $100, we enter 0.01. Therefore, we will enter a volume size of 0.50 in this trade example. Click Place on the order terminal. Now let's go back to our sell trade to enter the pending order. Place a line at the low of the candle just above the down fractal. This line is the price at which you will enter the market and hence the entry price you enter into your pending order. Because the market direction is down, we want to enter a pending sell stop order. We want to set the entry price, stop loss, take profit and volume size. We can now enter our pending order into our trading platform. Select New Order. Your order platform will then appear on your screen. Select Pending Order where it says Type. Set your volume or position size. In this example, we have selected 0.50 lots. Because we have a $5,000 account, and for every $100, we enter 0.01 lots. Then select the price at which you want to enter the market. We want to place our sell stop order 1 pip below the fractal low. We do this to avoid our entry order getting triggered before price has broken the down fractal. We also want to avoid a false break. The low of the candle just above the down fractal is 0.93953. We will subtract 1 pip from this price to get our entry level. Our sell stop order has been entered at 0.93943. We want to enter our stop loss based on the last up fractal. We will use the tip of the up fractal to determine where our stop loss should go. Remember that you should wait for 2 candles to close on the right-hand side of the fractal to confirm that the up fractal is valid before we can place our pending order. The reason we place our orders into the order platform before the full fractal has formed is that price can move very quickly on a 5-minute chart, and you don't want to miss a good trade setup because it took too long to enter all of the orders into the platform. We have entered our stop loss at 0.94067. Our take profit is usually the next pivot point down, but because this is less than 5 pips away in this instance, we will target the next pivot point down from this. The pivot we want to target is then the S1 pivot at 0.93843. When looking to take profits on a sell order, you want to add the broker spread to your take profit level. Because this broker being used has a variable spread of 2.5 to 3 pips, we will round our take profit level off to 0.93873. While we wait for the up fractal to complete, we need to make sure that the overall market direction on the 30-minute chart hasn't changed. We therefore want to keep checking the market direction. If it has changed, we need to go back to step 1. We now have two candles that have closed on the right-hand side of the forming up fractal. We now have a confirmed up fractal and can look to place our orders into the order terminal. You can see the orders on the chart. The green line is our entry level, the upper red line is our stop loss, and the lower red line is our take profit level.